I just wanna quickly share a recipe for burger patty. So I have one whole onion here, chopped finely as much as I can. I tried to chop it finely, but it's not. And then a piece of shallots that I also chopped, together with a heap of garlic cloves, probably 6 to 8 garlic cloves I use. If I can use the whole, but I'm too lazy, I don't want to chop it anymore, so just however I wanted it. And then a kilo of minced beef here. I'm just gonna make a beef patty. This is how I make it, so it's not really, it's just my mood my recipe depends on my mood. So that's what I found in the cupboard. I have a little bit of garlic powder, just maybe a teaspoon of that, a teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. I'm just calculating it if it's a teaspoon, but you know. A teaspoon of paprika powder, smoked paprika. 1 or 2 teaspoons of oregano leaves. And 2 teaspoons of salt. You can easily adjust it later on. And then 1 egg. Just 1 piece, just to bind it together. And then I have this panko breadcrumbs. I just use this brand. And then probably half to 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. It will bind it together. And then I have a piece of glove here, so I can mix it. And that should be it. I'll just quickly mix it all together and leave it to marinate for a little while. It's only 3:30 at the moment, and I have to go to my 2 clients, my private clients. I'm just gonna let the flavor set in, put it in the fridge, and when I come back around 6:30, I'll quickly make this for my kids' dinner. Oh, I forgot. I have to add a little bit of soy sauce. Maybe a tablespoon of soy sauce. Hang on, I'm gonna grab that. That's it. That's my tablespoon. So that's mixed now. I'll just leave it like that for a while. Chuck this one in the bin. And looking for a Glad wrap to cover it. That's it. I believe I put all the ingredients that I want. Unless I remember it later on, I'll add some more. That's it. It will go in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours because I'm going to my client soon. Pick up my child, my youngest child, and then go to my client and then come home and do it. Later on, hopefully I have time to show the video on how I roll it and make it, like assemble the burger itself. Okay, see you. Thank you. Bye.